All right, so I know the iPad was just kind of announced earlier today, and there seems to be a lot of frustration that it doesn't include any USB ports or an SD card or any expandable storage beyond 64 gigs. But I was blogging around, and one of the guys from the Apple team, he's the guy in the video. I wish I could remember his name, but if you go to apple.com, you go to their official video, you can see him talking about, the magic and creativity of the project and how it's so streamlined and the newest thing, all that stuff. He has a blog, and he's actually saying that they will incorporate the use of